I shot this entire beach photo shoot in Bali while pregnant. Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes of a sunset photo shoot I filmed back in October when I was in Bali teaching a workshop with my friend and photographer Anita Sadowska. And at the time I was in the middle of my pregnancy, but I still really wanted to create something beautiful and fun for you guys. So we went to one of my favorite beaches in Uluwatu, and I've actually only ever shot there at sunrise before. So this was my first time doing a sunset photo shoot here, and we got insanely lucky with the weather. My model Agatha, she's absolutely amazing, so easy to work with, super gorgeous, and she's actually Indonesian. I always love shooting with Indonesian models when I'm in Bali. They just have such a unique look. And for this shoot, I kept things super simple, just my Canon R5 with the RF 28-70 f2 lens. That's literally all I bring whenever I'm traveling. It's insanely versatile and one of my all-time favorite lenses. Alright, let's get into the video.
Yeah, let's find. Yes, I think so. Either that one or that one. Maybe that one's more comfy. Oh yeah, that's super cool. I think just something with the legs, maybe slightly different. Yeah, that's better. Oh wow. That's amazing. Yes, that's beautiful. Oh, yes. Oh, I love that. Wow, that's absolutely gorgeous. That's stunning. I'm getting some crazy flares in my lens. I think it's still a little foggy or something. Oh, there's some droplets, but it looks really cool. Okay. Oh, actually that's really nice, yeah. Yes, that's really cool. Yes. Love that, love that, love that. Ooh, that's gorgeous. That's stunning. Love these. Yeah, and just kind of look to the sides here and the other side. Ooh. Oh, gorgeous. Stunning. Love that, love. Okay, amazing. Ooh, that's cool, yes. Yes, yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Love that. Yes. It's like very raw. Yeah. Oh, yes. Beautiful. Oh, love. Yes. So gorgeous. Woo! Nice. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, that's beautiful. You just gotta be careful with the water. Maybe like one hand here and the other one somewhere, like a little bit more kind of. Whoa! Oh, whoa, whoa. Let's go a little bit higher.
That's really nice on the
I'm so sorry. I just wiped you out. Actually, stay like this because you're like fully wet from the water. Actually, it looks so nice because you're so shiny right now. No one come here, I'll have you in the sun actually. You don't have to, just standing. I just want to do like a portrait of you. Yes, yeah, just like this, yeah. Yes. Oh, that's cool, yes. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Yes, oh, that's cool.
So I rarely shoot in black and white, but these images, they were just asking for it. And I ended up really loving how they turned out. It's quite different from what I normally do, so let me know what you think.
What if you turn your body more towards the sun? You can have your eyes closed. Yes. Yes, that's cool. Love. Maybe just there's this hair right here. If you like, you can like push it up. Oh yeah, that's cool. Okay, let's do some actually a little bit more towards me. And maybe you can do something like interesting with like some kind of yeah, like a little bit, or like think the whole thing is like very raw almost, you know what I mean? So you can just kind of something like very, yeah, but you know how to do that look. Yes, yeah, that's cool, Love that. Oh, love that. That's very cool, yes. Love. Oh, I love, yeah. Yes. Okay, and I want to do one just of your face. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I love that. Okay, keep that. Don't move. Yes. That's gorgeous. Oh, so cool. Love. I think I would love to have you like sitting on one of the rocks. So kind of like, but it's still in the sun. Maybe this guy. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh yeah, I love it. Nice. Cool.
You might have noticed that a lot of these images have this interesting lens flare. I think I got a little bit of the water on my lens from the splash, and when I was shooting backlit, it created this really cool effect. I actually ended up really loving it, so I just left it on the lens. But let me know, would you keep it or do you prefer a cleaner look? I'm just a sucker for any funky effects that I can get straight in camera.
Yes, yes. And then maybe I just want one where you're like squeezing your hair kind of like this. Oh, just standing. Yes, and looking at me. Yes, beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. Love that. And look at me. Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. Love. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, I want to try one by that tree. Yes. Like a little bit into the... This might be a little bit hard to get there. I don't know if it's possible, yeah, to kind of like almost sit on it or something. Do you think you can sit on it instead somehow? Okay, so here just kind of, yeah, actually that leg over there was cool. Or like that, that's beautiful. Oh, yes. Maybe bring some of that hair in the front. Yes. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Love it. And maybe like in your profile, yeah. Yes. Oh, gorgeous. Wow. That's super pretty, wow, yes. Okay, stay there. I just want to get some like closer ones of you. Oh my God, they're so uncomfy. Oh, that's super, I love that. Yes, if you can look back at me. Yes. Oh, that's a crazy one. Oh wow, that's a crazy one. Wow. I almost want you to try to like have your legs on. I don't know if it's possible to have like, yeah, that's beautiful, yes. Yes, love that. Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, that's beautiful, love.
So that's it for today's video. Let me know which images were your favorite. I think mine is the portrait of Agatha in the tree. And next week I'll have another photo shoot from Bali that I'm really excited about, so stay tuned. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!